Sweetheart,
Yeah?
you know that today's your day to cook, right?
Don't worry, I'll come up with something.
That's great. I'm looking forward to it. You always make something delicious.
What should I do for lunch this afternoon? Ah, yes, pizza. I'll just hurry and pick up some salad to go with it. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Tom? Could you come here, please?
What's wrong, sweetheart?
Can you explain this to me?
It's simple. It's beer for this evening. My friends are coming over to watch football.
Where's my freezer?
I took it out so there'd be more room. Otherwise, some things wouldn't have fit. Besides, the refrigerator uses less energy without it. But you'll get your freezer compartment back tonight, I promise.
But what did you do with the pizza?
I already put it in the oven. And the table's set too. Believe me, I know you get hungry when you're angry. RV refrigerators for the future. Flexible shelf system, door compartments and freshness containers. Patented easily removable freezer compartment. Innovative opening system. Perfectly integrated control panel. Elegant appearance with large decorative surfaces, available in many different sizes and models.